Hi, I'm Taryn Doherty. I'm from Marshfield, Massachusetts, and I'm a sophomore in construction management. I'm going to show you a program called Adobe Photoshop. First, click the icon, then start with a new file, change the name of the file, then change the size settings. I chose 11 by 17. Then you import the desired pictures. And with the image, you can make many adjustments like grayscale, brightness and contrast, vibrance, saturation, and you can also invert it. There's many other options to edit the photo in the image drop-down menu. We're going to use the Move tool first to combine the two pictures. Select the picture and drag it onto the file name. With the Layers control, you can control each image separately. You can hide it and lock it. First, I'm going to hide the panda layer because I'm working with the city image. To edit this image, I'll be using the rectangular marquee tool. Right-clicking the icon brings up many more options for selecting with that tool. Then, click the image and select the Free Transform tool. Right-click again and you get multiple options to adjust the image. With the scale, you can change the size. With the rotate, you can rotate the image. With the skew, you can distort it. With the distort key, you can distort the image. With the perspective, you can distort the image to show a sense of perspective. With the warp tool, you can wrap and curve the image. Now I'm scaling the image to fit on the entire page. Be sure to click Apply after transforming the image. The Magic Wand tool selects based on color. The Quick Selection tool also selects based on color, but more loosely. The Crop tool crops the image. The Eyedropper tool selects the color when clicked on and can be used with the Brush tool. Like this. To undo the work, you can step backwards. The Spot Healing Brush tool combines the selected area together. With the brush tool, there are many options. You can change the color or the flow of the image. Also add designs. If you're tired of clicking the step backward option, you can go into the Window menu and open the History toolbar, which displays all of your recent work. Return to the beginning. The Eraser tool will erase the images. The Gradient tool makes the gradients. The Blur tool blurs the image. The Sharpen tool sharpens the image. The Smudge tool smudges the image. The Dodge tool lightens the image. The Burn tool darkens the image. The Sponge tool takes away the color. The Pen tool makes curves. There's a text option where you can add text, and a basic geometric shape option. You can add rectangles. We are mostly going to be working with the Lasso tool to edit the panda. Now I turn to the panda layer and zoom into the image. I'm going to outline the panda over the ears, down the back, all around the body, making sure I don't miss any of him. Around the paws. And over the ear. Then finally back up to the head. Select the inverse. And then move the panda. I'm going to delete the leftover image. Then I'm going to move the panda to the desired spot that I want him to be placed in. Then I'm going to mirror him and select Free Transform. Flip horizontal. Apply. Right click again and flip him horizontally to apply. Then put the panda on the building. Now we can edit the panda with many different options. Make him larger. Click rotate. Make sure he's exactly where I want him to be. Can scale it. Minimize him. Enlarge him again. Make sure I'm moving him. Click apply. Lighten the image. And I'm going to crop out this building because the panda is behind it. I'm going to do the same thing to the top of the building to make it look more realistic. Make sure it's just right. Darken the panda. I'm going to adjust the brightness and contrast of the image just to make him look more lifelike. I'm going to use the burn tool. Lighten it up a bit. The background around him. And darken it with the burn tool. Just make sure everything looks more lifelike. Add some grass for the panda. Make sure it's green. Thanks for your time. I hope you enjoyed learning about Adobe Photoshop. Bye.